So this is Neutrogena, or Neutrogena, however you want to pronounce it. This Norwegian formula deep moisture all-purpose lotion, really. It's for dry skin, sensitive skin, mostly comprised of glycerin. So that means you feel the effects right away. Like it's kind of like, you can use it on your hands. It's really thick and meaty, but not greasy. That's what I like about it. And it goes right in. And I will use this typically in the wintertime, not only on my arms and even on my face, but particularly I like to use this on my legs because that tends to get really, I don't know, I have a problem beneath the knees with my legs getting very cracked and dry. So this stuff pretty much does the trick as long as I do it daily. It's a very cumulative effect too, so if you do it every day, it really does the job. And if you're someone who's sensitive to smells, I don't think there's much in the way of scents in here. I can't smell anything, but there might be something. I don't know, maybe it's just the glycerin. I don't think it's scented. Now, of course, I'm sorry, I live in Japan, so this is all in Japanese, but it's nice to know that this is a product that you can get in many countries and many Amazon stores. So yes, I definitely recommend. I've been using this for many years.